Dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to unbox Nokia N73. You know, Nokia N73 is the most addictable phone in the N series of Nokia. Let's go to unbox Nokia N73. This is the real box of Nokia N73. Now we are going to unbox this box N73. This is the box. This is the total part of N73 which was unboxed in the box, and now I unbox the Nokia N73. This is a headphone, this is charger, this is mobile. Let's go very closely and let's go to near the phone for easy view. Let's go. This is a Nokia N73. It is the power button. Here it is the power button, and it is the speaker, stereo digital sound speaker, very high tech, very HD speaker. And here the another speaker. It had Nokia N70 has dual speaker. It is fast speaker, and the bottom line, it is the second speaker. It is a very high tech speaker, it is the camera. No need to press any button, just turn the shutter. It is 3.5 megapixel camera. Nokia N73, the flash is very powerful flash. The slot, turn down and turn off, the camera will on, the camera will off. No need to press any button, and it is the volume button, and you can use it as a zoom button, and it is a camera button. If you click this button, the camera will automatically focus, and the camera will pick a picture. Very easy to use. Nokia N73 is a revolutionary phone of Nokia N series, and totally for Nokia company, Nokia corporation. It is the front camera. You can video chat by this front camera, and it is a speaker for your cell phone, and it is the headphone connection line. It is the headphone connection line, and it is the cheap slot line. You can enter here the memory card, and it is the charging port. It is the charging port, and it for a lace, you can bind a lace here for safety of your phone. Very easy to use. Nokia N73, I think a revolutionary phone made by Nokia corporation. Very easy, and a multimedia phone. Great invention of Nokia. It is the great invention of Nokia. Total plastic, heavy plastic body, hard plastic body. Very easy to use. I am opening the phone. Let's go. I am connecting the headphone with the Nokia N73. It is a headphone, Nokia original headphone. It is a very nice headphone, and it is the. It should be enter your in your ear. It is a earphone, and look at the pin of the earphone. It has many pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pin, 9 connecting pin. It may serve you a good quality sound, a stereo high HD quality sound. It may service you a great sound, I think, because it has many connection point. You saw that. I connected it with the phone. Uh, Totally, it is the great mobile, the great discovery for Nokia, great discovered by Nokia mobile company. I think it is a revolutionary phone of Nokia. Now I am opening the phone for putting a SIM card. It is the SIM card place. Here I will enter a SIM. I am putting a SIM in the SIM card area. It is a very easy. Its interface is very easy. Its and its rating was 8.5. Its rating was 8.5, and the customer satisfaction was 95% customer satisfaction got by the Nokia N73. I think it is a totally great phone, a great invention by the Nokia. Now I am going to open the phone for first time. Nokia is all time the boss of mobile company. Nokia is the all time the hero in the mobiles. Nokia mobiles is the hero of all heroes. It is a great mobile. Thank you for watching our video. It is my mobile. I think this mobile will serve me very good.